Sustainable manufacturing is a new phenomenon that's taking place in the world for the last 2 decades or so. ISM is Institute for Sustainable Manufacturing. This is an institute that we created in 2012. In our definition, sustainable manufacturing deals with products, processes, and systems. In doing so, we are dealing with products that are manufactured. We are dealing with processes that are used for manufacturing. We are also dealing with the system, manufacturing system involving plants and enterprise, and also beyond the enterprise level to the supply chain level, as well as producing low waste. Sustainable manufacturing goes across multiple industries, anywhere from automotive to aerospace and defense applications, and also many other commercial applications, including consumer product manufacturing, like computers, laptops, cell phones. The manufacturers want the products to be of high quality, produced at minimal cost, environmentally friendly or environmentally low impacting, in the sense emissions and toxicities are very low. This new venture that we have now, which is called Next Generation Additive Manufacturing Research Laboratory, it's an effort by many of our University of Kentucky engineering researchers, including 5 faculty and staff members from ISM. Our objective here is to make our laboratory nationally unique and globally very advanced, one of the most advanced laboratories. We have some of the most advanced, some of the newest additive manufacturing technologies like solid state additive manufacturing. One of the machines that's fully operational is called additive friction stir deposition, a melt machine which is produced here locally in the US. And there are only about 5 or 6 US universities have those machines. Another machine that's almost fully functional is the cold spray additive manufacturing machine. The advantage of additive manufacturing is that it can produce components that are very complex, that are geometrically more difficult to produce using traditional machines, and also we can use multiple materials to produce components. This additional new technology that we are adding here by the establishment of this new laboratory with advanced machines is going to take us to a next level. That next level is going to be much more impactful than what we have gone through so far. In the sense, it's going to be much more advanced technology, cost-effective technology, much more scalable, smart, and sustainable technology. In a sense, I would like to think that this new technology that we have here is a kind of a dream expectations of ours to be able to keep this equipment and facilities for years to come. So these technologies are to serve not just the Commonwealth of Kentucky, also the region and nation. And we are very unique in what we have. We are also very special in what we do, and we are also very committed to what we do.